So this is just bad placement. Every year, if it's like we have bad weather, basically it ices up and icicles form, and the fan inside of HVAC unit starts hitting the ice, basically beating the fan up. Usually always a solid brick of ice on this side. It's a pain in the ass. I need to build something to cover this, because what I have to do now is put hot water on it and slowly melt it. Which is a pain in the butt. Alright, I'll be right back. Still got ice. One full flower pot of hot water, and it's still iced up. And we'll get some more water. Alright, third one's a charm. I actually got a lot of it that's down inside there. Basically melted up as good as I could. There is a lot of ice in there. Hard to see. Yeah, melted up as much as I could. Got it cleaned up. So held out through the night, which is awesome, but I definitely got to build something around this thing. It'll allow it to breathe, but also, you know, keep it safe from the weather. So we'll see. Alright, well, you guys take it easy.